In this example, we're again looking at how to subtract rational expressions. And this rational expressions, I need to note that the denominators are opposites of each other, which means they're not exactly alike, but at least if they're opposites of each other, they're just off by a factor of -1. So maybe what I'll do is I'll take the second term, multiply it by a clever version of 1. So let me get to that point first. Again, I like writing down, even though I'm only making one change in the problem, I like writing the entire problem step by step by step and seeing the entire problem with only one change each time. So here I'm going to multiply that rational expression by -1 over -1, clever version of 1. Alright, let's kind of see where that leads to. Again, nothing's happening on this first side, but I'm going to write it down nonetheless. -1 factored out through gives me a -3x and a plus an x squared. On the bottom I have a -3 minus 4x plus x squared. And I'm hoping that now all these terms match up with those terms. Might be out of order, but at least they match up. Okay, you want me to write them in so they look, alright. So I have 5x minus x squared all over x squared minus 4x minus 3. Subtract on the top. I'm just going to put the x squared term first, minus 3x. The bottom is what's been bothering you, so let's put the x squared first, then the -4x, and then the -3. Alright, well, now I have common denominators, which means all I have to do is subtract through. Common denominator is x squared minus 4x minus the 3. The top I have 5x minus x squared minus, and remember when I subtract, subtract the entire side. So I'm going to put parenthesis around it, x squared minus 3x. Alright. I'm going to go this direction because I can go down one more spot, I guess. 5x minus x squared plus a 3x all over denominator, same stuff, x squared minus 4x minus a 3. Let's combine like terms. So I have a -2x squared plus 8x all over x squared minus 4x minus a 3. And although the numerator does factor, I can factor out a 2, which means I'm left with, or 2x, which means I'm left with an x plus a 4. The denominator does not appear to factor. -3, it's awfully close. So I'm done right there. There's my simplification of this subtraction problem. Wow.